All right, y'all, look, so I showed y'all the other one, and now we on the plan two of that. All right, so this one right here is 3 beds, 2.5 baths. As you can see behind me, it got the high ceilings. All right, so first thing I need y'all to do is hit that subscribe button for me. And that if you don't know, if you're new to this channel, look, my name is Joshua Miller. I'm a realtor out here in SoCal. So if you're looking to buy, sell, invest, feel free to contact me. Just know I'm here for you. All right. With that being said, look, this home is going for about $760, y'all. $760. So if this is your price range, please call me. So I'm gonna shut up. I'm gonna get to the tour, and I'll see y'all soon.